How to fix update KB5055629 failed to install in Windows 11 23H2 or 22H2. Hello friends, KB5055629 is the preview cumulative update for Windows 11 23H2 and 22H2 for April 2025. If you are facing any issue installing this update, then follow the steps. The first step is try installing this update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will reach this page after clicking the link. Here are 3 files, one for ARM64 based systems, second for ARM64 based systems, 23H2 and 22H2, and the other for x64 based systems for 22H2, x64 based systems for 23H2. Check your system type. Click on Start, Settings, System, About. Here is the system type, 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor, 23H2 and x64 based systems. This file is compatible with my computer. Determine yours and click on Download. Click on the download link. Once downloaded, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to the Downloads folder from here. Right click on the downloaded file and select Open. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. If the issue still persists, modify services. Click on Search, type Services, click on Services, right click on App Readiness Service, select Properties. Here make sure that a startup type is automatic and the service is running. If the startup type is not automatic, click on this drop down and select Automatic. And if service status is stopped, click on Start. The start would be highlighted. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on App Readiness, select Restart. Then look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic and click on Start. The settings should be like this, automatic and running. Click on Apply, click on OK. Now come to cryptographic services. This one, right click on this service, select Properties. A startup type must be automatic and the service must be running. If anything is different on your computer, change the setting and click on OK and apply this. Right click on cryptographic services, select Restart. Go to Windows Update. This one, right click on this service, select Properties, make sure that a startup type is automatic and the service is running. Click on OK. Right click on Windows Update, select Restart. Close the services window and then check for updates again. The issue should be fixed now. Click on Start, click on Settings, select Windows Update and click on Check for updates. After the update is downloaded, restart your computer to complete the installation. One trick has worked for many users. You can follow this trick. Go to Windows Update Settings. And select Pause for 1 week for pause updates. Once paused, click on Resume Updates. This has worked for many users. So try this once and see if this trick works. If the issue still persists, then reset Windows Update Cache. Go to the video description and click on this link. From there, clicking the link from the description will download a zip file. This zip file will be downloaded. Click on the folder icon. Select Extract All. Click on Extract. Right click on this batch file and select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Press a key on the keyboard to start the process. Wait until the execution is completed. Again press any key on your keyboard. Close the windows. Restart your computer. Then try to install the update again. If the issue is still occurring, then run System Files Checker and DISM command line tools. Click on Search, type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Copy the System Files Checker command from there, paste into the command prompt, and hit enter on your keyboard. Once completed, copy the DISM restorehealth command, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Close the command prompt, close all other tasks, and restart your computer. Then check for updates. Third-party programs or antivirus might also interfere with the Windows update process. So uninstall that if you have installed and check once if it works. Right click on Start, select Installed Apps. Find antivirus program in the list. If installed, I have not installed any third-party antivirus. I am showing you an example here. Suppose this is the third-party antivirus. Then click on three dots for this and click on uninstall. Select uninstall again. Click on yes. If any uninstallation wizard appears, follow the on-screen instructions and complete the uninstallation. Close the settings app and restart your computer, then try to install the preview cumulative update. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.